you guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here in California and I wanted to show you guys what I have in my carry-on for Disneyland and our California trip. We are already here, so it's what I had in my carry-on, but we actually leave today, so it's back to what I have in my carry-on. So the first thing I have is my Nike backpack. This is what I'm using for my carry-on. It's really comfortable and easy to hold everything that I need, plus it fits underneath the seat really well, so just as like my go-to. And the first thing that I have in it is my purse. I always bring a tiny purse in case I want one, but when we were in Disneyland, we just put everything in the backpack that Riley was holding. So I didn't use this very much, but I'm happy that I had it, especially for like in the airport and stuff, because it's just small and crossbody, so I can put it behind me and still like wear my backpack, or I can just push it in here and it's super easy. And then in here is just where I put like my wallet, phone, and like headphones and stuff, just a separate little compartment. Then in this, then in this little compartment, I have a couple different chargers. So we bought this little Palm Gear charging port for when we were in Disneyland, which it actually came in really useful because we stayed for all 12 hours or like 13 hours. Then I brought my Apple Watch charger, the cord for the Palm charger, my camera charger, and then my phone charger, which has been charging my phone, so that's why it's over there. But they all go in this little pouch and they all fit and it's perfect, holds everything, and all my electronics are just like in one spot. So that gets zipped up. Then I have my computer and the case. I just bring my MacBook with me, and then in this zipper is the charger for it. I edit videos on the plane and it's just nice to have it with me for security. Our TV luckily had Netflix on it, but if it didn't, we would have just watched shows on our computer. I'll repack everything, don't worry about that. Then I have my makeup case. This is all like my dry and powdered makeup and like extra hair ties, just because they can be separate. So I have like our toothbrushes, brushes, bronzer, eyeshadow, stuff like that. You guys gotta see where Riley is. He's laying on the little bunk bed so that he wasn't behind me on our messy bed over there. I have this bag from TJ Maxx. It was $4. It just says beach and has little pineapples on the back. This is where I hold all of my liquids in, like my face lotions, hair gel. We didn't have hair gel, shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff, like toothpaste and everything is in here. Riley has his own little one, so this is like all of my stuff, and then like mascara, liquid eyeliner, just to be safe so they don't say that I need to be double checked. Then I have our hairbrushes. This is like my travel one that's always in my purse, and this is like our big one. I just shove those in the backpack somewhere. And then this is what I'm really excited for. This is my Michael Kors wallet. I got this for Christmas a couple years ago. My birthday, when did we get this? A year, 2 years ago. And I love it because it's so compact. My other wallet is pretty compact, but this was super easy. It was always in our backpack at Disneyland, and I always carry it with me, obviously, in case I need it. So it has this little spot for like your license, and then a place for 2 cards that you're always gonna use. Then it has a little like extra slot if you are okay if a card falls out, or like receipts. And then a zipper, which I keep like cash, coins, and then like the important cards. Oh, that's itchy. And this goes into my little purse, and then I'll probably wear this until we like get into security, and then put it all in here. But surprisingly, everything does fit in this backpack, and it's pretty comfortable to wear. But I just was really excited about this trip, and we vlogged every single day of it. So if you guys want to see what we did in Disneyland and California in general, go over to our vlog channel. It's Allie and Riley, and we had so much fun, and I just am so happy that we were here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about what I have in my carry-on, please let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next week in my next video. Bye!